Good evening. I am coming to you from Rome, Georgia. When in Rome, stay at the Hampton Inn and Suites. We've stayed at this hotel multiple times in the past. We were traveling through the area doing a bunch of vlogging throughout Georgia and Alabama, so we decided to get a good night's sleep. So we decided to stay at a place we were familiar with, the Hampton Inn and Suites here in Rome. I'm tired. I'm gonna go get us checked in, get us settled up in the room, get a good night's sleep, and I'm also going to give you a room tour, a property tour of the entire hotel, the areas that are accessible, and let you know in the morning what we think and show you a little bit of breakfast possibly. All right, let's go get inside, get checked in. It's freezing out here. It's 25 degrees. I'm a Floridian. I'm not used to this, so I'm gonna hurry up and go inside. Let's go make some memories. Alright, so I'm going to give you a room tour here. We're staying currently at room 307. Let's see what we got here. Lock up for safety, like always. Alright. The bathroom. Plenty of towels. Toilet. Shower. One thing they did tell us when we checked in, apparently they're out of bar soap, and the girl said the soap was mislabeled, but you're using shampoo as soap. I don't understand what she was talking about. Something about phasing out the product to get wall pumps or something. So apparently we're using the Neutrogena shampoo. This is not hand soap. This is definitely shampoo. We're using this as soap. So with COVID and everything else, this is not antibacterial soap, so I don't know. She was saying it was mislabeled or something. I don't know what she's talking about. But anywho, there's that. And then we come out. Unfortunately, we have adjoining rooms, which we don't like, but it's what it is. As long as it's locked, I'm okay with it. And then let's check out the rest of the room. We got 2 beds. A typical room. There's some plugs down here and 2 USBs. The shelf that pulls out, which is nice for when you're watching TV or reading or something, but I don't leave it open when you're sleeping because you'll bound to crack a kneecap. Got a TV in here, microwave, typical mini fridge. That's our stuff in this one. Little desk area. The one thing I do like that I noticed in this room when I first walked in is there's a table next to the other side of the bed. There's so many times that you stay in a hotel, and if there's 2 people sleeping in this bed, one person gets the table that's shared between the 2 beds, and the other person over here has nothing. So if you wear glasses like myself, or you have your cell phone, or your GoPro, or whatever it is, a book, you have to toss it on the floor, get up and leave it somewhere else. So in the middle of the night, you don't have easy access to your stuff. And this is our view out here. Definitely a different facing room than we've had in previous stays because we're facing the main road. Previous stays we always faced the parking lot. But this is our quick room tour of room 307. One thing we noticed is the bathroom door isn't a door, it's one of these sliding ones. And then when you slide it, it exposes the closet here that has the ironing board. But the thing that we don't like about it, we've never liked these kind of sliding doors in hotels. I mean, it's fine for us because we're a family and we're going to respect each other's privacy, but if you're in here and you're staying in a room with friends or whatever, there's no way to lock the bathroom door. So if you're in there doing your business, somebody could just walk in on you, which isn't very cool. Then the family noticed that the light flickers in here. I haven't noticed it yet. Oh yeah, there it went. And all these shelves are about to fall off the wall. These shelves are like leaning and about to fall off the wall. So they might want to fix that and tighten that up. We've stayed at this hotel previously. This is like my 4th time staying at this particular one. And when I checked in, it just seemed off. It didn't have the typical friendly service I've come to expect from this hotel on my previous visits. That's what drew me back here each time, was how outstanding the check-in was. This check-in was like, whatever. Person was on their phone as they're checking me in, getting text messages, looking at their social media, answering people's questions kind of with an attitude. Not mine, somebody else that was asking about the soap and the shampoo issue because they were confused. I was confused too, and I still kind of am. I don't get how a bottle that says shampoo is mislabeled. It's shampoo that we're using as soap, but you would think with these times, if they don't have that, they would give you sanitizer then so you can have clean hands so disease doesn't spread. But it is what it is. All right, let me go and take you on a tour of the rest of the hotel. Okay, so the elevators are right here. And then it says ice and vending. There's no vending. It's only an ice dispenser. But the sign says ice and vending. Vending must be on a different floor. Alright, so in here we have the guest laundry. We have 2 dryers. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a washer, and then a dryer. And then a second washer, and a second dryer. Even though I set them backwards, this is dryer 1 and washer 1, dryer 2 and washer 2 is how they have them labeled. It looks like it's $3.50 to dry and $3.50 to wash, which is steep. So you do 1 load of laundry, you're out $7. That's pretty pricey. Alright, as I show you in all the hotels, always my tip of advice on all my hotel reviews, these are the downstairs restrooms. Highly recommend using these if the people in your room are slow. Breakfast is from 6 to 10. This is the breakfast area. It's also kind of like a lobby seating area. The breakfast is all served behind there. There's a lot of people down here right now, so I don't want to go walking in and interrupt anybody's conversations. They do have meeting rooms. Floyd Room B. And they have Floyd Room A. And then they also do have an ice machine down here on level 1 as well, down in this corner. So I think on the rest of the bottom of the first floor here is where they have the exercise room, and I think that's how you get to the pool as well. Yeah, 24 hours, business center. They have 2 computers in here normally. One of them is currently out of order. And then they do have a printer and a shredder, which is awesome. Highly recommend other hotels, if you happen to be watching any of my videos, if you work in hospitality, a shredder in the business center is vital. Because somebody may print out something that they don't mean to print out. And you want to be able to shred it because it's got your personal info on there. You might accidentally print out the wrong hotel reservation for your next hotel, or the wrong boarding ticket for a flight if you have multiple flights going somewhere. Anything. And it's got your info on it. You don't want to just crumble it up and throw it away. You don't want to carry a bunch of stuff. So a shredder, that's a nice addition. I haven't seen that very often, but I like it. And there's luggage carts right off here, right past the business center, coming from the lobby. So if you have a lot of luggage, come in and grab one of those. Alright, the fitness center is open until midnight. There's currently people working out in there, so I'm not going to show it. Then coming down here, they do have an indoor pool. Oh yeah, it's warm in here. Yeah, there were people in here because they left their towels. There's a shower over here to use when you get in and out of the pool. There's a lot of seating in here. And it's just a typical pool. Indoor pool. It's cold outside. It's about 25 degrees. This indoor pool definitely would be worth swimming in because it's warm. And the room that I'm standing in right now, it feels like I'm outside on a summer day. It's hot in here, so me bundled up in a jacket, I'm about to get out of here because it's hot. But that's pretty much the hotel tour. We're gonna run upstairs, get a good night's sleep. So it's been a long day of vlogging and traveling throughout Georgia. So I'm looking forward to having my head hit that pillow and get some rest. We'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so another thing I noticed out here, I had a nice talk with a gentleman who's a Georgia fan, celebrating the fact that his team won the title this year. Talking some good football talk out here. Smoking a cigar like he did probably the night they won. They got a cool fireplace out here I wanted to show. I'm hopping in this hotel because I am freezing. Have a good night, sir.
All right, bud.
Good freezing morning here from Rome, Georgia. It's, I think it's about 25 degrees this morning. For Floridians, I'm frozen today. It's really cold out here this morning. My car's got ice on it and some frost. I might even have to scrape my windshield with my ice scraper. I haven't used that thing in years. But no, we're just wrapping up our stay here at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Rome, Georgia. Couple of things. I know I mentioned about the soap shampoo issue. That's still, woke up this morning and still is bugging me. It's like, how do you not have any kind of antibacterial soap or sanitizer in the rooms or something if you have no soap? Replace it with something, not replace it with shampoo. I don't understand that at all. Hilton, you gotta help me figure that one out, because I don't understand that. The TV in our room, we noticed when we decided to watch something on TV after I did the room tour, the TV has like a couple of burned in spots on it. So when you're watching TV, there's like, it looks like there's constantly a glare like right in the middle of the screen. So it kind of was annoying, but it's not like we were watching anything serious, so it didn't really matter. But no, if you like this video, if you like our hotel room tours when we're out and about traveling, hit that like button down below, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you're one of our returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. We do appreciate each and every one of you. All right, guys, it's cold, and the stuff I have planned for my adventure today, it's all outdoors. So wish me luck that I don't freeze. All right? Always, guys, we'll see you soon.